Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to sell print on demand on Etsy in 2025. So guys, if you've ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, posters and any custom designs without actually holding any inventory, then this is for you. So I'm going to break it down step by step so you can actually understand what you need to do. All right, so our first step would be to actually head over to your browser. So go ahead and open up your browser. All right, guys, so go ahead and log on to Etsy.com. So the website of interest for today's tutorial is actually Etsy.com. So once you're on Etsy.com, go ahead and, get started or sign up for Etsy and follow the sign up procedures on your screen. It's quite easy to do that. Just follow the procedures to sign up for Etsy. All right, guys. So, what is print on demand? So print on demand means you create a design, upload it to a product, and then someone others, a printing company, handles everything, the printing, the backing, and shipping. That means you don't need to stock on, you don't need to stock up or have a big budget to start. You can just kind of like partner with these printing companies. All right, so once you're on Etsy and once you've signed into your accounts, we have the accounts menu here. You can see your accounts here. You can see purchases, special offers, and Etsy registering. All right, guys. So in order to kind of like, have your prints and stuff, you're going to need to first off search for Printify. So go ahead and simply search for Printify.com. Printify.com is actually an e-commerce business where you can connect it to your Etsy account, TikTok, and other platforms, and they would help you ship out these products to your buyers around the world. So once you're on Etsy.com, all you need to do is go ahead and set up your shop. So use the shop manager tab to simply set up your shop. And you can also connect to your PODs, which are the print on demand businesses like Printify, Printful, and Gelato. You can connect to these platforms using the shop manager to kind of like mediate the connection and things like that. All right, guys. So with the shop manager, just click on shop manager, edit and customize your Etsy store, change the name, set up a business, all that good stuff. Now, what we're going to be doing next is we're going to simply search up Printify. So Printify.com is what we're looking to log on to. So log on to Printify.com. Once you're here, go ahead and simply sign up. It's kind of like the same procedure with Etsy. You just simply sign up for Printify. I already have a store here, so I'm just going to be heading straight to my store by clicking on my store. And now this is my dashboard. As you can see, we have the dashboard. We have scale your Etsy store like a pro. We have notification, catalog, and my products. So go ahead and click on my products. Once you've clicked on my products, simply scroll to the bottom and click on browse products. So click on where we have browse products and you're taken to explore Printify's best for Etsy. We have embroidery, we have beauty. I believe these are kind of like the best sellers. We have t-shirts, we have AOP clothing and t-shirts again. So now what we're going to be doing is quite easy. We're going to be using, these are templates basically. So you're going to be using a template for your design. All you need to do is simply attach your design to these stuff. So we have mugs, we have hoodies, we have shirts. I don't know if we have caps. Okay, we have caps as well. Okay, so we can simply use a cap. This is by AutoCap from $15.69 with Printify Premium. Okay, so we're going to be using one of these. We're going to be using one of these templates. So I'm just going to go straight with the hoodie as this looks a bit better than the shirt. So go ahead and click on it. And we have unisex heavy blend hooded sweatshirt. So you can kind of like look through everything here. Get the best price and quality on every order. That's Printify. And if you scroll a bit more, you can find Printify Choice, trusted network of quality providers. And then you can select the shirts. So you can have it in red. You can have it in a lot of colors. That's actually quite interesting. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and click on Start Designing. So click on Start Designing. Introducing the Printify Product Creator. Take a quick tour. So let's take the tour. Important product info is at the top left. Download design template. So you can actually download this design template. That's actually quite cool. Click on Next. We have powerful design creation tools on your left. You can add a design layer. What else? Okay, I guess that's everything. All right, so I believe your design is going to be coming up here on your shirt. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can easily get it set up. So you're going to need to apply kind of like your image or the custom PNG or whatever you have for your product. You're going to have to apply it on the front. You can apply on the back. You can apply on the sleeves. You can apply on the other sleeve. You can also have a neck labeler, I think. And like that, you would have customized your product. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually add an image here for customization. All right, so head over to where we have Canva. So search up canva.com. Make sure to log on to the platform and also create an account once you're on Canva. So create an account on Canva and simply use the search. So you're on the home section, head over to the home. Once you're on Canva, head over to the home and go ahead and select templates. So you'd see templates and now simply use the search to simply search for t-shirts templates. So use that prompt and simply search. All right, guys. So once the templates are up, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be customizing one of these templates to, kind of like design our shirts. So we can go with this. We can go with this for maybe a shirt, a cap, that kind of stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on what you want to customize. So click on what you want to customize and simply click on customize this template. So go ahead and click on customize this template. And you're taken to this menu with the background. So the background of your image actually matters as when you're applying to your shirt or hoodie, it's gonna blend with the background. So let's head back to Printify. And as you can see here, we have a white background. So in order to match these two, we can leave it with a white background. And let me just go ahead and show you what it's gonna look like. So click on share and click on download. So go ahead and download it as a PNG. You can save it as a PNG. Click on download and it's going to download to your computer. Now, your next step, without editing anything, you could just head back to Printify. Where we have upload, go ahead and click on the upload. So click on upload, click on my device, and we're going to be taking images from our device and adding them here. So click on my device and now go ahead and select the PNG file and click on open. And what Printify does is it adds it to the front of your hoodie. So now all you need to do now is simply expand this to your liking. As you can see here, the white background really adds a good touch, seeing as I wouldn't need to expand it if it was on a black background. Once you've added the image, most times the background is actually quite important. With a black background, it would have been a lot harder to kind of like hide and stuff like that, and also increase the view. Don't worry about the blurred text. It gets better when you've previewed it. So without changing anything, if you head over to where we have preview, click on preview, and it's going to show you a preview of what it looks like. Wow, this is this is actually quite beautiful. So this is what it looks like on this kind of background. We also have the back. You can add this same image to the back. You can add it to the color close up. You can add it folded. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's folded. You can have the image on your back. That's on the back of the hoodie. So you can go about adding this image to the front. You can also add it to the back as well. Same concept. Click on upload or go into your library, select the image and simply apply it here. With this, you can just expand it and now arrange it. And if you head over to preview and select back, this is what it looks like on the back and what it looks like on the front. And now you can just go ahead and click on save product. All right, guys. So once you've saved your product, all you need to do is now is go ahead and publish this product. So click on publish product. All right, guys. So once you're back on my products, you're going to need to connect your store. You're going to need to connect the Printify store to your Etsy. So where we have add store or connect store, it depends on what shows there. Simply click on this and click on add a new store. And then you can go ahead and select either Etsy or whatever platform you're using. If it's Etsy, click on Etsy and you'll be asked to log into your Etsy account. So just go ahead and follow the login procedures for Etsy and you would have your account logged in. Now, all you need to do now is simply, let's close this. All you need to do here is just go ahead and click on this, click to publish. And at the bottom right, just go ahead and click on publish. So click on publish at the bottom right. And this is what it looks like. So your product has now been published. And if you were to head over to your Etsy store, you should find this product here via the connection. So you would find it here via your connection and things of that nature. So guys, all you need to do now is to run ads, promote your shop using TikTok or Instagram Reels, and make sure you have customer service on standby for customers who would like to ask questions. And that's how you can go about this. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.